Okay, we're going to start looking at time to the nearest minute now, so the exact minute. Okay, right now this time is showing 3 o'clock. The minute hand is pointing to the 12, which means it's something o'clock. The hour hand is pointing to the 3, which means it is 3 o'clock. Now we're going to use our knowledge of our 5-minute intervals, and that's going to help us to get to the nearest exact minute. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Alright, so I'm going to put it on. It's a bit hard to stop around the middle. There we go. That's the time. I've got it on this clock now. Now this clock is very helpful. It has plenty of visuals on it that helps us to tell the time to the exact minute. See if you can tell what that time is there. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to work out the time. So we started at 3 o'clock, and I'm going to use my knowledge of 5-minute intervals. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes past. And now I'm going to start counting by ones. 21, 22 minutes past. It is 22 minutes past the hour. Which hour? The third hour. 20 minutes, 22 minutes past 3 o'clock. So another way to say that time is 3:22. Okay, let's look at a different one. So we can use our 5-minute interval knowledge to help us. What about, so there's 9 o'clock. See if you can tell me what time that is to the nearest minute. Okay, let's see if you got the correct answer. So this time here, now first of all, the hour hand is pointing to the 9, or is just after the 9, so we're in the 9th hour. Okay, so and the minute hand is on the past side. Something past 9. How many minutes have passed 9? Let's start by going with my 5-minute intervals first. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Now I'm not gonna go straight to 15 minutes because the minute hand is pointing before the 3. So I'm gonna count on. Take an addition strategy. I'm gonna count on from 10 until I get to where that minute is pointing. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See how it's pointing to the 14th minute. This time is showing that we are in the 14th minute of the hour. Of which hour? Of the 9th hour. So it's 14 minutes past 9, or we can say it's 9:14. Okay, which is 1 minute away. The next minute would take us to quarter past, or 15 minutes past 9. Okay, let's do another one from on the 2 side. The 2 side of the clock gets a bit trickier. Okay, how about this time here? That's the time that I've got on the clock. So we're looking at time to the exact minute. Okay, so this is tricky now because the hour hand has moved quite a bit now, and it's getting very close to the next hour. This is where the most confusion can come on an analog clock. Okay, this clock is showing that we are actually in the 11th hour still. Okay, we are not at the 12th hour yet, even though the hour hand is very, very close to striking 12. Okay, which minute are we in? Let's go around the clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 when it was on the 9, but it's gone a little bit past. 46, 47th minute. We're in the 47th minute. Now, because we're on the 2 side of the clock, we don't say 47 past 11. We can say it the other way in the digital form. The time is 11:47. That is the time on this clock. Now another way to say that time, this is a bit more tricky because we're at the to side, we need to say the time, how many minutes to the next hour. So how many minutes are there to 12 until it's 12 o'clock? Well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 to 12 is that time. 13 minutes away until the next hour, which would be 12 o'clock. Okay, time to the nearest minute.